Despite the weather challenges, the Junior Alpine Ski World Championships in Tarvisio have been a great success.
This last weekend has been really hard because the weather was not really helping us, so we had to work really hard on the slopes from morning to the evenings, but we succeed to deliver all the medals to the athletes, which is the most important thing for us, for the organization. And now today everything's changed. Now we have nice weather, the sun is shining, and we hope it's gonna be like this till the end of the event. Well, it's such a big event when you have athletes coming from all over the world, 60 nations, and young athletes that are really on the top level in the world in their disciplines. For us, it's an honor, and also it's a good start for much bigger events in the future. That's why we took this event, and we're trying to do our best. And it's like a test also for the International Federation. If we do good, perhaps we get something even higher and on a better level.
All right. For example,
World Cup.
is that in the works?
Yeah, theoretically next year we're gonna have a Women's World Cup here in Tarvisio.